Venice, a city born from the sea. Imagine a city of islands connected by canals instead of roads. This is Venice, where buildings rise from the water and gondolas glide through watery streets. The air is filled with the sounds of lapping water and the calls of gondoliers. Romance hangs in the air, as timeless as the city itself. Venice is a feast for the senses, a place to get lost in its beauty and history. Every corner reveals a masterpiece, and every step feels like you're walking through a living painting. Whether you're admiring the architecture or soaking in the Venetian atmosphere, Venice will captivate your heart and soul. Venice has a rich and storied past. Founded over 1500 years ago, Venice was once a maritime power. The Venetians were not only skilled sailors, but also brilliant traders and merchants. They built an empire that stretched across the Mediterranean, becoming one of the wealthiest and most influential cities in the world. This immense wealth attracted talented artists, architects, and craftsmen who adorned the city with grand palaces, churches, and intricate bridges. Today, walking through Venice is like stepping into a living museum, with each stone and building telling the fascinating story of the city's rise to power and glory. Every square, every alleyway, and every waterway whispers the echoes of Venice's glorious past. The canals of Venice are its lifeblood. Gondolas, the traditional boats of Venice, glide through the water, their gentle rocking creating an atmosphere of calm and serenity. A gondola ride is an iconic Venice experience, offering a unique view of the city's picturesque buildings and waterways. The gondoliers, with their striped shirts and straw hats, are as much a part of the Venetian charm as the boats themselves. For a more affordable and fun alternative, hop on a vaporetto, the public water bus. A ride down the Grand Canal will take you past some of Venice's most important landmarks, offering an unforgettable perspective of the city. Venice's waterways offer an unmatched way to explore this magical city. Venice is home to countless treasures that reveal its rich history and artistic legacy. One of the most stunning landmarks is St. Mark's Basilica, a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture. Its golden mosaics, intricate designs, and majestic dome make it one of the most awe-inspiring churches in the world. The Doge's Palace, once the seat of Venetian power, is another must-see. The Rialto Bridge is another iconic landmark, known for its bustling market and breathtaking views of the Grand Canal. After sightseeing, don't miss the chance to savor Venice's unique cuisine. Cicchetti, small snacks served in Venetian bars, offer a taste of local flavor. And of course, Venice's seafood and pasta dishes are world-renowned. No trip would be complete without enjoying a scoop of authentic Venetian gelato as you stroll along the canals. Venice is also at its best in the spring or fall, when the crowds are thinner and the weather is perfect for leisurely exploration.